Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your skills with LinkedIn skill assessments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your skills with LinkedIn skill assessments, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the homepage. Scroll down to the skills and endorsements section on your profile page. Click on the Add a New Skill button if you haven't added any skills yet. If you already have skills listed, look for the option that says Take Skill Quiz. You will be presented with a list of available skill assessments. Choose the skill you would like to verify from the list. Click on the skill to begin the assessment. Read the instructions carefully before starting the quiz. The assessment typically consists of multiple choice questions related to the skill. Make sure to answer all questions to the best of your ability. Once you complete the assessment, your score will be displayed. If you pass, the skill will be added to your profile with a verified badge. If you don't pass, you can retake the assessment after a waiting period. Consider reviewing the topics related to the skill before attempting the assessment again. Regularly check your profile to update your skills and take new assessments as they become available. Using LinkedIn skill assessments enhances your credibility and showcases your expertise to potential employers. Remember to keep your skills relevant to your career goals. Engaging in skill assessments can significantly boost your professional visibility on LinkedIn. Stay confident and use this feature to validate your competencies effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.